Hey guys, where are we? We're here in the DIY store. Brother, look at this. This is so like $2-3 we're getting every single time. This is so sasta, man. And I don't think so anyone is purchasing this. Okay. This looks like weird. Okay, there. So I really don't know what is this. Maybe this is like cloth or something like that. Washing machine thing. Look at this. This is like price over here is incredible. Like, see this is a car charger. The basic this is not a fast charger for sure, but this is like a 210 where we get this model for like a 350 400 in the you know in the shops. This is oh god, this is what this is looks cool, man. Look at that. This is like a high powered car charger. I like it. The price is 550, but it's selling for 340. Does not go for price. Price is just the price, but on the screen. But the product is beautiful. Holy shit, guys! What the heck? I just have finished the lunch, and basically before lunch, one of my friend contacted me, and he was like, "Brother, if you are in a Pune, will you please do my work?" And I was like, "Yeah, tell me. It depends." And he was like, "Will you please visit one of the particular office?" And I'm like, "Yeah, why not? Like, if you need me, I'm there." So yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. And guess what? Why I'm so happy? Because I got a fucking hack. I literally got the hack to get famous on YouTube, and that right there, I have done it exactly the same way. Exact same way. I have now see. I literally shoot yesterday the video like how in the world you can get rich. The exact step which I'm using, exact steps I have shared it on free on basically on my YouTube. It is uploading right now. So guess what? Stay tuned for that. And now we are heading towards the metro station of the what it is? Pune's metro station. Railway station के metro station पे आना. It is what signing off. We reached to the what is Vanas metro station. So now we are heading towards the upper floor, which is the Ramwadi, like towards Ramwadi, from Vanas towards Ramwadi. And basically I'm looking forward to not to go in a traditional way. I'm looking forward to go with the walking stairs. So let's go. Yeah. Came up. Here we go. Brother, I like this. Holy shit. Look at that. The one thing which I like from here, the view, the front of view. If I just, oh, the view is beautiful. And from here as well, the view is phenomenal, fantastic. And you know what? Where we have gone to do the trading analysis, I will search that point. Basically, that is the somewhere right there. Basically, somewhere right there. Okay. I need to check, but somewhere on the top of that, somewhere right there. I think so. That is going to be that point maybe, or that point. That these 2 points is having a conflict of interest. Brother, see this, brother, man. This is beautiful. And never, I mean, I will give you the suggestion. Never, ever stand in the line when the stairs come up. Like stairs come up from here, and never ever stand over here, because over here a lot of people stand just because of they comes up from here, and that's the reason a lot of bead over there. So just walk, just come in middle. Never take the container. What is it? Never take the dabba is in front of this stairs. So always look into the like a middle of like somewhere in the middle. So I will take. A lot of people do not come in this position. I did the analysis on this particular thing, and also like never ever stand in front of this lift, because a lot of people drop here. So that's the reason. Should not. This better. This is a place better, because the people are coming over there and they will stand over there. This over here, there will be very less people. So basically, this right there is the best place for having the low percentage of people. This is fucking data analysis. This is not like a rocket scientist. This is like a common sense. So now you see me what I'm talking about. Alright, signing off. Metro arrives. I always stand over here. And this one. Here we go, brother. See the mid. In front of the lift, there are a lot of people. Oh, on that side, there are a lot of people. Over here, a very minimum people. Like these guys, I know what they are talking about. So let's go inside. This will open only and only here. The view was missed. We missed the view because of the call. We missed the view. See this. I mean, this is good. All right. The station is coming. We need to get back. So where are we going here? We are going to the Pune station. My friends, some inquiry in the treasury office. We have to do that. I have to. He helped me, so I have to. You know, that's a give and take. So basically, this is what is happening, and they will roam around somewhere because I have to do something. Signing off. Still here, we're going over here. Basically, I just saw the market right now, and guess what? We literally save almost 3 to 4 losses. I'm like, I'm so getting good in market prediction now. Hold on. Let this sound thing over us. Hold on. You see the view until that speaking thing is done. Holy shit. Okay, finally the speaking thing is done. I just sound. So I was saying that we literally avoided 4 losses this week. I told you this week there was no opportunity for trading. You guys are going to take the trade, and basically you are going to lose for sure. That is what is going to be happening. Okay, I need to get back. Signing off, brother. We're so close. Looks like that within 5-10 minutes we'll be reaching out. Tired of asking, like I got a lot of questions to get asked, like when your lecture is going to get uploaded, how much hours, is this vertical, it is the horizontal. Brother, see, it is going to be horizontal for sure, because that is like almost 4 hours of lecture, brother, and that lecture is only lecture you need to know to get rich for sure. So this 1 to 2, what it is, 1 to 2 station. Come on man, come on. My public speaking is getting a little bit low. Not that. You see, this is what happens. Take a deep breath and speak again. So my metro station is just 2 stations away, and that is what it is. I think so. My story just got full of words. No. Alright guys, signing off. Literally want to do also like a breakout. Holy shit, I literally can't able to talk. What it is? I literally wanted to give the break. Yes, I literally wanted to give the breakdown of the trades which we are going to lose. Alright, I was saying that I was literally going to break down the trades which we are going to take, and that trades was going to go in loss, and how we have avoided. But just because of there will be so disturbance over here, that's the reason I will do it after I go home. Stay tuned. The next station is our station, Pune railway station. Like holy shit, I am at a railway station. What the fuck is this? Like say this, everyone is traveling somewhere, and I'm just using this pathway to cross the road. Holy shit, look at, like, I just don't like the when like I really don't like the people, like the place where there are a lot of people. I really don't. I have to go through it. Look at that. Like holy shit, this side of the Pune has the rain, and on that side, on Kothari side where I was, there was no rain. Literally everything is Gilla. What the fuck is that? Wait, WD. My English is getting, like poor and poor. But I will increase it. I will say it wrong, and I will improve. Holy shit! Now I gone to the post office. Alright, the post office the friend told me to go. So the thing was not working over there. That officer was putting the number into the system, and the number was not being able to fetch the information. So I came to the other office, which is like a 300 meter from there. So I took the print from them, and now I'm heading towards again that office, just to clarify that this thing is actually being worked up. Excuse me. So yeah, holy shit. Yeah, this thing actually was. I can't go from because there is a water right there. I have to enter from the दुकान. हाँ वही बहुत थक गया हूँ मैं, you know. But I like this. After a lot of time, I have walked this much, and I have walked this much. Oh shit, the smell was worse. As a trader, we literally have 99.9% of time for doing nothing, and we have to figure out like how we can make ourselves busy to not to take the thing, not to make mistake. That is our main goal, and this is the best option. And you won't even believe, I thought about this literally in the shower, like what we should be doing. Holy shit, what was that? What we should be doing? I got the beautiful answer is, brother, we have a lot of things to do. When I started to like note down the things, I literally got a lot of things, literally. And right there, BMW. I like the premium cars. It is. Android says this is not a premium car, but for me it is a premium car. I mean, yeah, that is not a real premium car. That's just a status of. I mean, I don't compare, man. Anything which is greater than Wagoner is a premium car for me, because I don't have that car. If it is premium, I don't know. That right there is a car, okay? And my hand is fucking paining me. Hold on, fuck. Holy shit. So yeah, this is what it is. Oh my god. Maybe we are going to go for motor driving school. Seriously, I save my ass. Maybe we are going to go in a garden. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's all about maybe. Maybe I will make new friends.
Slight right.
Now I will be literally looking for making new friends. Signing off. Hold on. I'm crossing the road. I can hold on. And to be honest, hold on. Whoa, wait. Something went wrong. Hold on. Something went wrong means I was going to go ahead, and the office was right here. Basically, I really don't like the government offices, because the vibes are not that good for me. A lot of people are so serious. No one is happy. Just being on the computer, playing with the books, papers. I really don't like that vibe. I respect the people who are doing the work, but for me, I really don't like. And this is maybe the second or first or second. Actually, second time, because first time I gone when I was small. Now this is the second time. In my whole life, I'm coming into the government office. The serious, I really don't like the serious thing. Signing off. And here it is. Signing off. Holy shit, guys. So basically, is this hanging? No, that is not hanging. So right now my battery is almost 26%, and that friend, the work is done. I have not, like, I promised myself I'm not going to step the government office. No. I don't want that vibe. The vibe is not for me. The vibe is like, no. Someone is handling a lot of bulk of papers. Someone is waiting in the line. The fan. There is no AC. No. I'm just done. Okay. I really respect the people who are working there, but not for like for me. I'm good. My friend, the work I have done for, he says like, brother, you just go and enjoy in a Burger King or whatever it is, and make some 2 to 3 big bills, and I will like that's all on me. I will pay for that. And I was like, no, what are you talking, man? And also share the travel expense. I was like, no, wait, what? Are you kidding me, man, or what? And then he was like, no, you should go. I'm saying go for me, and I'm like, Are you saying that I have to go? Alright, so basically, let's go then. Let's go to Burger King or somewhere else. We'll find something here. Signing off. Thinking to, go to garden or something like that. Because I want to. I fucking want to. Let's go. I'm searching the garden. Oh, Okayama garden is there, but I don't know where it is. Is it here or is it not? Let me check. Oh shit! Rather than going to the garden, why don't we go to the airport? Oh shit! Oh shit! Let's go to airport. Let's not go to garden. Going garden is not going to teach me anything. I just can't see any kind of money is getting involved over there. I want to go to airport. Let's go. Let's go. I really hate this Gardi. Look at this. Holy shit! Like seriously. Fighting, arguments in between them. So now I decided to go to the airport, and maybe I'm going to drop for Yerwada or Ramwadi. So to get that free airport shuttle rather than taking the CD bus. What karni ho rahi hai? Come on man, come on, move. Signing off. This like a lot of people around me, and I hate that. Like seriously hate that. I just came over here to cross the road from this side to that side so that we can catch the metro. Basically that is what up. Look at the bead, man. Oh shit. I touched this. Millions of people have touched this. I need to wash the hand. Signing off. Look at this. I don't like this, man. I really don't like this. Like people around me, I don't like this. Look at that. Signing off, man. Guys, so I am going towards Ramwadi, and this is the entry. So from Ramwadi, right now we are not at Ramwadi. We are at holy shit, where are we? Pune station, Pune metro station. From Pune metro station to Ramwadi, the same price. So from Ramwadi, we're going to take that free shuttle. We will ask on which platform we get the free shuttle, Yerwada or Ramwadi or something like that. Oh shit! I got so tired, man. Signing off. Holy shit! Right now I'm standing here, which is most main this door. Never stop here, but I'm actually let's move forward. Let's move on that side. Because in this particular side there is no people. So if there are no people, we are good. I don't like to be around people. So now the issue is now the 15 only 15% battery is there. I have to do some jugaad, to charge my fucking phone. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so we got into this metro together. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, exactly. Five stations we have to go ahead. Maybe it will take 5-10 minutes, not more than that. But the view is good. I'll try my best to save my battery now, or else I have to do something. Oh, there is charger over here. Oh, but we need charger, and there is no charger. Hold on. What is this? We don't have USB. Like we have the charger in front of us, but we don't have the plugger to charge our phone. Shit. It's like having the cake in front of you that you all like, but you can't eat because your teeth hurts. How it will? Shit, guys, that face. Look at the view. Just try to focus the view, man. Seeing the couple in front of me. Gee, arey yaar. Let it be. I see this. These guys are going to have the biggest breakup for sure. This thing is fake. This thing doesn't really involve, Understand. The earlier you understand, guys, the earlier you get mature. This thing is fugazi. It's not real at all. So now I have reached to the Ramwadi. So now we are heading towards the airport for sure. Signing off. I reached to here not yet. It's a Ramwadi metro station. नीचे ना क्या बोलते हैं? Holy shit! What is called, man? Shuttle, not shuttle. It's a shuttle. So it is waiting down. Maybe that is not there. It will come. Signing off. My phone right now is having only 8% battery. I need to figure out like how I can charge my phone. I need to find someone, who can charge me. I have to go to a hotel or something like that. Signing off. I reach here. I came down. Basically, I think I see. No, that's city bus. From when I was up above, they say that there is a airport shuttle you can get. And voila, there is no fucking shuttle here. There, right there, is no shuttle. No shuttle. And no one literally knows. I mean, is there a shuttle or not? I don't know. You can see over here, drop. What the fuck? What I should do now? Should I wait or should I go? Should I wait for shuttle or should I move? I will think on this. And my battery is fucking. Oh shit, my battery is 6%. Fuck. My battery is 3%. Look at. Bimalagar, bhai. I came to airport, brother. Look at that. Oh my god, I can't believe this is going to be my. This is going to be my Ana Jana, bhai. This is going to be number one thing which is going to be happen. And my battery is going to shut down. It is 3% signing off. I'm so happy just to visit here. Imagine if I'm flying. Like seriously, look at that. Stadium, man. This vibe. Thing is so good. This thing is so good. So what I done by going inside, first thing I charge my phone. The second thing, I have inquired about the tickets from here to Dubai. And the third thing, guess what? It's just fucking 40,000 rupees for 3 person. Jana. Like this is so easy. Like I mean sasta. Like either se Dubai, but 40,000. And I'm like, oh, this is going to go so higher. Brother, this is going to go so higher. But that doesn't. जैसे दिखता है ना ऑनलाइन वैसे नहीं होता है ब्रदर. इट इज़ सो सस्ता. राइट. सो गिव मी सेकंड. एंड फिर उसके बाद मैंने उसको पूछा कि प्राइवेट जेट का कुछ है क्या आपके पास, लाइक प्राइवेट जेट का कुछ ऑप्शन है क्या आपके. एंड दे वाज लाइक ही इज़ अ बिग गाय, ही हैव कॉन्टेक्ट लाइक एनीथिंग. सो ही टोल्ड मी दिस एंड he called someone and he looked into private jet and I was like whoa, this guy is good. This guy is certainly good. And I did it. I go on there and I have reach out for private jet and reach out for what tickets we can have for like from Pune to Dubai. And that's it. I got the quotation. I got 40,000 INR for 3 person. So sasta. I mean, like I was like, whoa. This is going to be so. But I will definitely choose not economy. That is price of economy because from here to there is only economy. There is nothing more. But I will definitely choose a private jet. So private jet 1 is going to contact me after some time. Right now we are heading home, and my sister is going to kill me like anything. Her call literally came and I was like, bro, wait, I will call you right back, hold on. Brother, after half an hour the bus is going to come. Should I take rickshaw? No, of course not. I'm not definitely going to take rickshaw. I'm going to definitely go by city bus because that is where comfortable comes. I hope so. I hope. Brother, look at this, like look at that. So good. This is like wow. This is what wow factor comes, man. Signing off. Holy shit, guys. We take the rickshaw from here to Ramwadi and basically let's try the time. How much time we will be requiring to reach there. Right now, hold on. I was saying that right now is 19. Yes, exactly. So I'm literally predicting that we'll be requiring almost 43 minutes to reach to the home. So now let's see. I like challenges. Let's do one challenge. If I win this challenge, I will give away the profit. I don't think so we can reach. Look at this traffic. It is what it is. Accept it. Move on. Hey there. So right now I reached to the Ramwadi metro station, and basically this is going to be the best view because touch this. Here we go. Signing off, guys. A lot of things are happening right now. I will tell you later after reaching home. Signing off. Hey there. So right now, where are we? We are
छत्रपती संभाजी उद्यान
Yeah, you listen.
स्टेशन आहे दरवाजे डाव्या बाजूने उघडतील
So understand where I am. So my battery is like 5%. It was dumb, like just standing and staring. I want to do some more like editing or uploading, but or some practice of trading. Oh, see this. See that. Holy shit. Seriously. Brother, so I just wanted to update. I will purchase the power bank for sure. Because it is stadium.